Hi, welcome to Smart Road Drainage. This is main control Arduino Nano IoT purpose for ESP8266 GPS module NEO6M. This is tilt sensor, power supply section, 12 to 5 volt conversion, on off switch, LCD 16x2 with I2C display, TST11 temperature and humidity, buzzer for alerting purpose. This is methane sensor, carbon monoxide sensor, water for water level sensor. This is for Blynk mobile application with mobile. I will open the mobile app. So first I will switch on the module Smart Road Drainage. Here I will switch on. So this is humidity, temperature, water level, tilt sensor status, Blynk app notification, methane sensor, carbon monoxide, W for water level, TL for tilt level. So tilt level means closing or open. So this is liquid for methane and carbon monoxide sensor. Now I will put it water. So here I am putting water. That's why notification coming. Here I will see the location. This black color is GPS location for module. Green color is mobile location. It's a live location. I will take it up. So next, this is tilt sensor for dooring open or closed. So now tilt sensor status is 0. Here 0 means is closed. So I will move the tilt sensor. So open. Here 1. Like that. So next carbon monoxide sensor. Here CO. We'll put it in the liquid. Buzzer alerting. Here carbon monoxide detector. Here also 1023 for carbon monoxide sensor value. Buzzer also alerting. So here I will put methane sensor. So methane detector. Methane value also 1009. That's all.